How to add overlay in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see a quick and easy way to add overlays in CapCut. So the very first thing you want to do is simply open up CapCut and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once that is done, you can just find different videos here. So what I'm going to do is create a completely new project for you guys. Tap on new project and import your videos. So here I'll use this little video as my base video. If I want to add a overlay or something on top of this, what you can do is go down here and then tap on overlay, and then you can just tap on add overlay. Now here I've added another overlay over the video, so I can just move it and then move it to the side. Now this is the overlay that is on top. Now if you want to stack it on top, something like this, you can do this. And you can also change the opacity of the overlay. So just go ahead and swipe until you find opacity, and then you can just tap on it. Change the opacity so that the videos blend together, something like this. Or what you could do is just completely split the videos into two parts. Now just go ahead and select the second video here. And once you've selected it, you can swipe all the way to the right, go to mask, add a horizontal mask, and you can split it into two parts however you want. So let's say if I wanted to split it horizontally, you could do that, or vertically. It's completely up to you. You could also do this diagonally. Now once you've added this, you can just tap on done, and videos are going to be played in two parts. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.